What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Chrome browser is managed by your organization issue or error, whatever you want to call it, might be happening. So let's get right into this. So I'm going to leave this link in the description below. Basically, this is a website where you can download this specific software. There's other softwares as well, but you can specifically install this specific software on your computer, and then it essentially removes the Chrome policy thing that pops up by your organization on your computer, right? So you can see this. Once you download this, it tells you literally step by step on what you need to do on Windows, Linux, or Mac as well, where you basically open up Regedit, you go there, you basically start changing up certain things, and then it basically does the thing for you. You don't even need to do it. It might even actually do it when you install it, but I just wanted to kind of like call this out. This is the specific software that you can download, install on your computer, and then go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you guys need to do. Just basically follow the steps over here and downloading it, installing it, and then going from there, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash it up. Go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.